All right, my wonderful listeners, wonder shall never end. Yes, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu's court case has been adjourned till 2nd of May 2025. Yes, 22nd of May is around the corner, which is next week, if I'm not mistaken. But before we go into the details, I would like to brief to you guys what really happened in the court today. As I'm talking to you, according to Ejimako, yes, he said today's MK court hearing has been concluded. The prosecution presented its first witness, who was not identified by name but by initials only, and he testified from behind a screen, as was approved by the judge. On 2nd May, we shall cross-examine him by test his veracity. Yes, my people, this is not what we bargain. Nigeria government is just using this protocol to delay times. They are just buying time. Nnamdi Kanu has no court case to answer at all. He has been discharged and acquitted. All this they are doing is just a waste of time. But my wonderful people, let me leave you guys here to hear it in detail from the horse's mouth, how they take explain them to us.
From PW1.
Are
you comfortable?
We're very comfortable, but first of all, we thank God for today. We thank God that the matter has eventually kicked off without rancor. You know, you needed to have been in court to observe the proceedings. All the parties cooperated, and PW1 testified. PW1 is Mr. AAA, as he was designated. He investigated the matter 10 years ago, and today he came and gave his evidence and tendered documents. The matter is very simple. The state has a case against our client, and we are defending him. And for the first time, the matter has been opened, and we have heard what the evidence is. On Friday, we are coming back to cross-examine him. But in the main, the matter has commenced on a good note, very sound note, very civilized trial. And we hope by the grace of God we'll continue on this note and get to the end.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Reason why we have to say something in addition to what the SAN has said. This gentleman here, these lawyers standing with me here, are members of the old guard. We have been there from the get-go, so we know the nitty-gritty of this case. Well, what I can add is we are finally here. The government is finally having the trial that it desires. Our position still remains unchanged despite the ongoing trial. That our client is innocent of the charges, that the case is driven by political considerations, and in the end, the innocence of our client will be established. So we take it from here to 2nd May, when we are going to subject the government witness who testified today. We are going to submit him to, or subject him to cross-examination, and then the truth shall begin to be revealed to everybody. Thank you very much.
All right.
We appreciate you always being around to cover this very political trial that has been ongoing for the past 10 years. Thank you.
Look at you.
Oh, there we go. Adam. Where is he gonna sit? Oh. I don't know, I'm losing. Yeah, you can. I don't think okay, there. Who drops this?
I cannot understand, my lord, why my trial will be conducted contrary to the constitution of Nigeria. I can never be tried in any court of law in Nigeria. That's what the law says. Anybody standing in trial or coming to try me is a terrorist. That's what their law says. Any court considered to try me is committed an act of terrorism. You cannot violate a treaty that Nigeria entered into and then come to try that very person. Is not done anywhere in the world. I did not jump bail. My home was invaded. They came to kill me and I survived. They came to Kenya to kidnap me, brought me back to this country and seeking to try me, which the law says cannot happen. You cannot violate a treaty that Nigeria entered into and then hope to stand on that illegality to conduct a trial. Is not done anywhere in the world. Section 12 of the Constitution, what does it say? Any treaty ratified by Nigeria becomes law. It's law. You cannot change it. It doesn't matter what they do. All these shenanigans is just pure rubbish. You never stand. Not with me.
The people I'm with here are my brothers and sisters. We are all Biafrans of one mind. The lawyers are here, some of them. The others have dispatched to various locations where we are going to meet later. Tomorrow we are going to the DSS to meet with Onyendu. Today, what happened? For those of you, and one know you are Prince Fine Boy, I was in America, Dr. Sylvester and Dr. Chukwuemeka of the Igbo, of the American military veterans of Igbo descent here. I be grateful for the solidarity they came to show their fellow Biafrans, their fellow Igbos, and to Onyendu and the legal team and Onyendu. They flew all the way from America to show solidarity. We are very, very grateful, and this thing goes in and Mary at the end of the day. What happened in court today as a way of recapping and informing those who didn't come to court was very simple. Finally, the government is getting the so-called trial that it had always desired as of late. It didn't desire this trial for the past 10 years, but for the past 6-7 months, the government has been intent on having a trial. But the trial has commenced today, and we have seen, those of us in court, that the case rings very hollow. The prosecution witness was examined on direct examination by the prosecutor, and he made an application, meaning the prosecutor made an application before then for the witness to be masked or to be screened away from the bird's eye view of the general public. The only person that could behold him from our own side of the aisle was Nnamdi Kanu, because the law required that. So he was testifying from behind the screen. And you know, when people testify behind the screen, you know what happens. Officials want to comment. But not really that another somebody. So he has given his direct examination, and the matter was adjourned to 2nd May for continuation of trial. So what is going to happen on 2nd May is very specific and simple. We are going to subject that witness to cross-examination. We are going to ask him to explain certain things. So his own answers to the questions posed to him today will not be taken as true unless and until we have finished cross-examining him on 2nd May. So we are very hopeful that in the end our victory is assured. We shall prevail, and we shall be able to show through this trial they are having, or they started having today, that Nnamdi Kanu did not commit any offense known to law. Thank you. All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Wait.